The Council's current corporate plan, adopted in 2006, set out 4 core aims to achieve the vision. Those are putting customers first, delivering value for money, building stronger, safer communities, and working in partnership. A programme of priority projects was developed to achieve the aims. Since 2006, 79% of the projects have been completed, with 12% pending other developments and 9% currently in progress. The achievements are vast, and this film shows just some of the highlights from the last 8 years. We have increased provision of affordable housing across the district since 2006, including 25 properties at Amber's Rise, Bexhill, 8 properties in Sedlescombe, 54 properties at Valley Park, Rye, and 42 properties at Compass House, Bexhill. We have improved communications and access to services with continuous development of the Council's website and making the most of social media such as Facebook and Twitter. Good quality customer care is essential, and several staff members have undertaken qualifications in this area. With over 950 active members, the introduction of the Citizens Panel has ensured we can carry out thorough research. The workforce plan was introduced, making better use of office space, thereby reducing overheads. In turn, this also allowed for more flexible working for staff, with Rother District Council being awarded 5th place in the Times Best Places to Work in the Public Sector 2010. The Camber Visitor Management Initiative is long-term development for securing economic improvements and improved visitor facilities. This project continues. The management of allotment sites in Rye and Battle has been transferred to Battletown Council and Rye Community Interest Company. Sidley Goods Yard received a £3.5 million investment for regeneration, transforming the area to the Elva Business Park, an energy-efficient development providing affordable space for new businesses. The Affordable Warmth project aimed to reduce the number of households affected by fuel poverty. Food businesses were supported throughout the introduction of the national campaign on food hygiene and new smoking legislation. Recycling rates have tripled since the introduction of the curbside collection scheme, resulting in nearly half of household waste now being recycled. The Environmental Enforcement Team was introduced and has run successful campaigns on fly tipping, leading to high-profile prosecutions, resulting in a reduction of this offence across the district. The building in Manor Gardens, vacated by the Costume Museum, is now used by a local community group. The provision of multi-use games areas across Rother has helped to create easier access to facilities for healthy activity. With £75,000 of funding made available through Adidas in conjunction with London 2012, this popular outdoor gym was installed in 2010 at Edgerton Park, Bexhill, leaving a legacy of the games locally. Bexhill Seafront Regeneration, known as Next Wave, received the maximum £1 million funding from the Commission for the Architecture of the Built Environment via their Sea Change scheme. The scheme saw £5.6 million of total investment and has seen Rother District Council being named as the LGN Street Awards 2012 Editor's Choice overall winner. The landscape design led to the architect HTA achieving highly commended at the Landscape Institute Awards 2012. Rother is working with Hastings Borough Council and Amicus Horizon to manage grounds maintenance in the area. April 2014 sees the final phase of the county-wide joint waste scheme being implemented across East Sussex. Rother District Council worked with the South East of England Development Agency, East Sussex County Council, the Highways Agency and private businesses to implement the Marley Lane scheme. This countryside park project between three councils, Rother, Hastings and East Sussex, continues to evolve, creating more usable green open space. Rother District Council and Bexhill Museum Limited worked together to secure over £900,000 from the Heritage Lottery Fund to help deliver this £2 million project, extending and refurbishing the museum in Edgerton Road. This created three main galleries, bringing the costume collection over from the Manor Garden site and celebrating Bexhill's motoring history with new interactive exhibitions. Rother District Council continues to develop its working relationships with cultural partners, including Freedom Leisure, East Sussex Arts Partnership, the Delaware Pavilion, Active Rother, set up as an NHS partnership initiative, and the School Creation Centre in Rye. With the Games coming to London in 2012, Rother District Council, along with partner organisations, voluntary groups and businesses, took the opportunity to become involved in projects on a local basis. This included being a town en route for the torch relay, with the flame arriving in Bexhill, stopping off at Battle and leaving the district in Rye. Edgerton Park in Bexhill has been significantly regenerated following a successful joint Interreg funding application from Rother District Council and the City of Ostend to deliver the 21st Century Parks project, improving parks and open spaces and green linkages, connecting urban areas and their rural surrounding. Edgerton Park has been transformed, giving the community the opportunity to be involved with the design through consultation. Public art sculptures, a sensory garden and the exciting play zone ensure the park provides an interesting and enjoyable open space for everyone and a hub for public outdoor events. Rother District Council worked with voluntary organisations to host a visit from Their Royal Highnesses Earl and Countess of Wessex, who officially opened Diamond Jubilee Walk on Bexhill Seafront in July 2012. Following the success of the first Bexhill Sea Angling Festival in 2012, this event is now managed by a voluntary committee. Rother District Council's Community Grant Scheme was created to support the development of community facilities, community activities and sustainable local action. The majority of these schemes feature in documents called local action plans. These were written with the involvement of residents and set down the future aspirations of villages and towns. Chosen by a grant panel, the money is also given based on the project's value to the community and other organisations providing match funding. Round 1 of 2013 saw over £70,000 being awarded to a variety of local groups to apply to the grant scheme. This short film highlighted just 21 of the 49 projects completed since 2006. Rother District Council is committed to continuing the good work.